Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Hakman Traders. In this video I am going to be showing you how you can use Bollinger Bands in your trading career, the tips and tricks on how to trade the Bollinger Bands. So let's get started. First of all, I will show you this. As you can see here, this is an uptrend. This is a bullish bias, and you can see that the candlesticks are moving in an upward direction, so it means that it's a bullish trend. You can see that I've pulled up the Bollinger Bands and the RSI, both the indicators. You can see here, as the prices came to its lowest low of here, it starts to move upward. You can see here that the Bollinger Bands are narrower here at this level up till this point here. After this it start to widen up, you can see here. So whenever the gap is narrower, you like the two ends of the Bollinger Band, this one and this one, are closer to each other, like narrower. The distance between them is not too much, like in this case here. It means that the fluctuation of the price would not occur at a great margin. Like they will the price will go up and down by a small margin, not by a large margin. As you can see here, they got up here, back down. You can see that they are not moving very fast. Their price change is not very fast, like it's very slow, and the prices drop and rise at a slow level, at a slow rate, not at a high rate. Well, in this case here, you can see that as the correction occurred here, the price came down here. You can see that the distance is now widened, wide now. You can see that the prices will now fluctuate at a greater level. As you can as you are seeing here, it came down here and moved above till this point, and still the gap is widened now at the last closing, at the last candlestick, which closed here. So you can see that gap, the distance between them, is now larger, and the fluctuation of the prices occur at a high rate. As you can see here, you can also use the RSI for this as well. As you can see that the prices are now at this level, but it moved upward in an over bought area. You can use the upper level as an overbought area and the lower as an oversold level, overbought and oversold level. And this one is the moving average for this for the Bollinger Bands. So this was an uptrend. You can see the same is with the downtrend, like here in the sideways or the no trend area. You can see that this pattern is the same for and for the uptrend and downtrend. Now I want to show you a side trend. This is what a side trend looks like. You can see that the prices are the fluctuation of the prices is occurring at a high rate. As you can see here, you can see that the distance between them is far greater than the previous one, and although it is a side trend, in a side trend the prices do not fluctuate at a high rate, but in this case you can see that these are bullish candlesticks, and now whenever you see that the distance is uh, like these two levels are far away from each other, it means that the prices will fluctuate at a higher rate. And the same is the case here with this one. You can see that the prices were here at this level, but now you can see that they have moved upward. So how do you trade this one, like how do you trade this type of stock with the help of Bollinger Bands? You can see here that I've showed to you in previous videos of mine of how to trade a side trend. You can apply the same concept here. Buy here when it's at the lowest of the Bollinger Bands, and sell when it's above this moving average, or whatever it is called, or this level here. You can see, you can also I would prefer selling above this this line, this moving average, because I do not trust whether this will move up till this point here or not. The prices will rise here or not, but I would prefer selling it right here. I don't know what your what your method is. However you want to sell, it's up to you. So you can do apply that method here of the how to trade a side trend. Or what if the prices didn't came to this level? You can buy here below this and sell above. If the prices go down, you have to place your stop loss in place. In case if the prices go down, or if you have emotions, like you can control your emotions of not to like fear the loss, so you can leave it, and you can see that whenever the price is trade below, they got back up, and you can see up till this, although it's a bearish candlesticks, but they got back up. You can see here by waiting for a while, you have, if you have such patience and can wait for a while, you can see that they moved back up. For this selling, you also have to as I've showed to you by trading the RSI, by trading a stock with the RSI in previous videos of mine, you have to recognize in the RSI where is the overbought area and where is the oversold area. So this level act as an oversold area, and this one now as an overbought area. You can see here like this one, the what is the 63 level and the 34 level. These two acts as an oversold and overbought area. So whenever the prices reach at the oversold area, buy at that level, and or place your long position or whatever your position may be, and sell at the over bought area like this one. You can see here, and in this case the price got way higher, but that happen not that is not normal. It happens most of the time, not all of the time. You can see that it changed its course again. You can also see that the prices are not the same as here. The, the candlestick pattern is not all the same uh, everywhere at every time, but as you can see that they got back up uh, far away from its from this level here, from of this level here. So that's it for the Bollinger Bands. If you guys are enjoying my videos and want to learn more about the stock market, all I need you is to support my channel by hitting that subscribe button and comment down below, as your feedback is valuable for me.